Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore checkout confirmation page UX in Shopify, beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Shopify admin panel. Navigate to the online store section on the left sidebar. Click on themes to access your current theme settings. Select the actions drop-down menu next to your published theme. Click on edit code to open the code editor. In the code editor, locate the sections folder. Find and click on the checkout.liquid file. If you don't see checkout.liquid, look for the checkout settings.liquid under the config folder. Open the file to make edits to your checkout page. To restore the checkout confirmation page UX, look for the section that manages the confirmation message. Identify any custom code that may be affecting the layout. Remove or comment out that code if it's causing issues. Next, ensure the confirmation message is clear and visible. Use simple language to describe the order and thank the customer. Add any relevant information such as estimated delivery time or order details. Consider including a call to action for customers, like encouraging them to visit your store again. Once you're satisfied with the changes, click Save in the upper right corner. To preview your changes, open a new browser window in incognito mode. Go through to the checkout process and complete an order to see the confirmation page. If everything looks good, then your UX is restored. If adjustments are needed, return to the code editor and repeat the process. Remember to clear your browser cache if changes don't appear immediately. Regularly check your confirmation page to ensure it meets your customers' needs. This will help enhance their overall shopping experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.